Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe to Emergent AI. Start by opening your Emergent AI dashboard and going to the project where your bot is created. Make sure the bot description clearly explains how payments will work. For example, say that users can start on a free tier and upgrade to Pro or Premium plans. You can also explain that when a user upgrades, a subscription will be created automatically in Stripe. This helps Emergent understand how to handle payments and access levels. Emergent will ask if you want to integrate Stripe with the API keys. Choose that option when asked. Next, connect your Stripe account. Open a new tab and log in to your Stripe dashboard. From the left menu, go to Developers and then API keys. Here you will see two important keys. One is the public key, and the other is the secret key. Copy both of these keys carefully. Go back to your Emergent project. Paste the publishable key and the secret key into the Stripe integration settings. Emergent will store these keys securely in an encrypted vault, so your data stays safe. Save the settings to complete the connection. After this, test the setup. In the Stripe dashboard, make sure you are in test mode. Use Stripe test card numbers like 4242, 4242. You can use any future date and any 3-digit CVC. Try upgrading from free to Pro or Premium to confirm that subscriptions are created correctly. Also test canceling a subscription to make sure downgrades work as expected. Once testing is complete, your Stripe integration with Emergent AI is ready for real users. Thank you for watching.